A fresh start is something all of us deserve from time to time, whether it's at the beginning of a new year, like now, after a difficult time in your life, or just because you feel the need to reassess and make some changes. Have you ever noticed that when you have a lot of stress, your house and your entire environment seems to mirror this? Chaos in our heads means chaos around us. A growing amount of studies shows that this principle also works the other way around. Being in nature or a calm and zen-like environment helps you find calm in yourself and invites to meditate more. It just helps to improve your general well-being. In this video, we will show you the benefits of decluttering and present you some tools and a system to help you a step closer to clutter, stress-free living. Make sure to stay tuned till the end, where you will receive a free gift that will help you even more.
Looking at this image, do you notice how your mind is taking in everything it sees on this desk? How does this make you feel? Right, this brings me right to our first topic, the benefits of decluttering your environment. Benefit 1. Decluttering your environment relieves stress, declutters the mind and even transforms your mindset. You will notice that you feel calmer and happier in your space because your mind is calmer. A simpler lifestyle with fewer possessions will improve your mind and allow you to focus on the truly valuable things in life, like family, friendship, travel. Also, and that's benefit 2, decluttering is a money saver. Once you've decluttered your environment, you will think twice before bringing in additional stuff. And since you will know where you left everything, you won't have to resort to going to the store again for something that you were sure you had but can't remember where you stored it. Okay, this brings us to the third benefit. Decluttering is a time saver. Cleaning becomes much easier and you lose less time looking for things and you can spend all that extra time on other activities. Now that we've determined the profound effect decluttering has on your overall well-being, let's look into topic 2. Tools that will help you become more organized in your home. These tips will help ensure that your home remains clutter-free for years to come. Okay, the first one. Ready for this? Digitize your media. This is a great idea if you own hundreds of CDs and DVDs. Putting all your media on your computer, in the cloud or on a NAS will not only enable you to find what you need more easily, but it will also minimize clutter and free up loads of space. Tip number 2. Invest in organizers. Have you noticed how far this industry has come? You can find literally hundreds of organizers in all shapes, sizes and colors, from small boxes, tiered baskets to colored folders to keep your drawers uncluttered. Tip number 3. Label boxes clearly when you're decluttering. For the things that you won't keep, put them in boxes labeled donate, throw out and sell. And for things you want to store, make sure to label and to describe what's inside the box. This will prevent you from having to open 5 to 10 boxes to find something specific. Talking about boxes, years ago we had a couple of friends and each year they would go through their attic and move the items from each box into a new box. And while doing so, it made them remember what was stored in the boxes, but also it allowed them to let go of items that they weren't able to let go of the previous year. For years, I thought it was a great idea and I wanted to adopt that strategy, but till now I never did. I'm already glad that I have the rest of the house decluttered. Okay, so we had, for our tools to help you become organized, we talked about digitizing your items, investing in organizers, and labeling your boxes. The fourth tool is a list of questions that we compiled to help you decide about what to keep and what to discard of. We decided to not include the questions into this video, but to create it on a separate list so you can use it while working in your home. Go to the descriptions to find the link where you can download this list. Okay, on to topic 3. To declutter your home, it helps to have a system that will help you keep your house clutter-free for the long run. The best way to keep your house clutter-free is by adopting a long-term strategy. And the simpler the strategy, the more chance you will keep using it. That's why we suggest this 4-step strategy. Step 1. Decide on your monthly focus area. Divide your home and garden into 12 areas or rooms. Step 2. Weekly projects for the first 4 weeks of the month. Week 1, you purge. Week 2, you rearrange the room. Week 3, you do a deep clean. And week 4, redecorate. Okay, if you have a month with 5 weeks, that means that the 5th week you can just enjoy this new decluttered area. Step 3, activity of the day. Assign your weekly maintenance task for the rest of your house to each day of the week. For instance, you could have Monday cleaning of the first floor, Tuesday doing your laundry, Wednesday doing the second floor, Thursday cleaning your car, stuff like that. You get the drift. Okay, then, so we had step 1, monthly focus areas. Step 2, weekly projects. Step 3, activity of the day. And now step 4, daily habits. Create your morning, afternoon, and evening routines for your body, your mind, your soul, and your environment. Conclusion. To improve your overall well-being and save money and time, it is a good idea to adopt declutter strategies. We gave you tips on tools and a system to keep your environment decluttered for the long run. To help you get a head start with your clutter-free life, we created the 7-day declutter challenge. For 7 days, you will receive emails with actions to take for that day. Make sure to head over to our website and fill in the email address we can use to send your daily mails. Okay, good luck and have fun with your clutter-free house. Bye.